Problem 7-83. Reflect quadrilateral ABC across the line y equals -2. Okay, so here is the quadrilateral. It'll be easier if I go ahead and just recreate it over here, which I'm going to do right now. Let's see, so that's at -2, -1. That's where A is. And then we've got B, which is at -1, 3. So -1, 3. That's B. C is at 3 and 2. 3 and 2. And then D is at 2 and -1. So 2, -1. So that's D. All right, and then we can connect these lines quickly. So now we've recreated our quadrilateral. All right, now it says that we're going to reflect it across this line, y equals -2. So y is equal to -2 right here. And y is equal to -2 all the way along this line, which is equal to -2. So I'm just going to draw that line of reflection. And then we know we're going to reflect this over that. So I'm going to look at this point, and I see that it is one square away from the line of reflection. So I'm going to put the new one here. And then point B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 squares or units away from the line of reflection. So I'm going to go in the opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's where the B prime is going to be. And of course, A prime is right here. Okay, now I'm going to look at D. That's 1 unit away from the line of reflection. So going in the opposite direction, we've got D prime right there. And then C prime is 1, 2, 3, 4 away from the line of reflection. So going the opposite way, 1, 2, 3, 4. It's right here. Okay, so the new coordinates. So let's draw this just to make sure it looks right before we start recording the coordinates. Okay, that looks good. That looks like it truly is a mirror reflection of A, B, C, D. Okay, so let's write the coordinates for A prime, B prime, C prime, and D prime. A prime is at -2, 1, 2, 3, -3. So we'll make that -2, -3. So B prime, we'll find the x coordinate first, which is -1. And now we have to find the y coordinate, which is also going to be negative because I need to go in this direction. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that new coordinate is -1, -7. All right, and C prime, oops, here it is. C prime is over here. So the x is positive, and it's 1, 2, +3, but the y is negative, so it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -6. So a +3 for the x coordinate and -6 for the y coordinate. And D is our final coordinate, and we can see it's a +2 and a 1, 2, 3, a negative 3. Positive 2 for the y coordinate or x coordinate, negative 3 for the y coordinate. So there is our set of coordinates for the new reflected figure.